Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second subdivision in question 1 from exercise 5.2. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. They have given a big expression. Let's first note it. It is x into root of x square plus 1, the whole thing divided by x plus 1, the whole power 2 by 3. So first let's assign this to a variable y. I'm going to take logarithm on both sides. So log y is equal to log of numerator by denominator. So it is going to be, first let's write this so we'll understand, x into root of x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole power 2 by 3. So this is log of a by b. I'm splitting this as log of x into root of x square plus 1 minus log of x plus 1 the whole power 2 by 3. This is nothing but log y. So let's simplify. Log y is equal to, this is log ab. So I'm going to write this as log a plus log of b, which is root of x square plus 1, minus, this is log of a power b. So minus 2 by 3 log of x plus 1. Now that we have rearranged everything in logarithms, let's start doing the actual differentiation. So let's differentiate both the left and the right side with respect to x. So this will be 1 by y dy by dx. This is differentiation of log x is simply 1 by x. Now differentiation of log of root of 1 plus x square is 1 divided by root of x square plus 1 into differentiate of root x square plus 1 the whole power half. That is chain rule for us. So I'm just putting a dash notation here, minus 2 by 3 log of x plus 1. So it is simply 1 by x plus 1. Now this we are going to apply chain rule and differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by root of x square plus 1. This is a plus b the whole power half. So this is half into a plus b the whole power minus half. So I'm putting x again x square plus 1 into differentiation of this, which is going to fetch me a 2x minus 2 divided by 3 into x plus 1. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus, this just numerator is x, root of x square plus 1 into root of x square plus 1 is simply x square plus 1 minus of 2 divided by 3 into x plus 1. Now we need to collect the value of dy by dx. So I'm going to bring the y to the right side. So this is dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by x plus x divided by x square plus 1 minus 2 by 3 into x plus 1. Now let's expand what is y, then we'll answer is done. So this is dy by dx. What was the given expression? X into root of x square plus 1, the whole thing divided by x plus 1, the whole power 2 by 3. Open bracket, simply write what we differentiated. So this is 1 by x plus x divided by x square plus 1 minus 2 by 3 into x plus 1. So this is the final answer. In the next video, we will see how to solve the first subdivision in question 2 in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.